শুনে তুই বড় অমর্যাদাকর মারে লাগো থেকে তুই আমাকে উত্ত্যক্ত করছিস মেক্সিকান গাল্প থেকে। তোর ডোনাল্ড ট্রাম্প দিয়ে তোরা মেক্সিকো গাল্পের নাম সে বিভীষিকা রক্তাক্ত গাল্পের ধর্মক্ষেত্র খান তোদের কুরুক্ষেত্র। আমাদের কন্যা বীর পুত্রদের দ্বারা ধর্মের যে প্রচার হয়েছে আর তোদের দ্বারা খুনে মার্ডারার দ্বারা যে পরিহাস করে যাচ্ছিস, তুই আমার এখানে দোষ ধরতে এসেছিস। এই বিভিন্ন লোককে উত্তেজিত করে পঙ্গু করে পঙ্গুরত্ব জড়ো করে শহরের বাচ্চা কোনো খবর দেশে প্রচার করতে দিস না। এই চোদ মহারানীর শালা, এই কামারের বাচ্চা, তাঁতির বাচ্চা, এই খুনে মার্ডারার বাচ্চা, এই খুনে মার্ডারার মিলিয়ন, এই খুনে মার্ডারার মিলিয়ন মেক্সিকান গাল বিস্কন শালা চুদির বেটা। কারেন্ট অফ কর। পাপকে বাচ্চা কারেন্ট অফ করে দিচ্ছে। তোর পাপের কারেন্ট অফ করে দিল তোর এ ভয়েস তোর বাপের আটকানো অসম্ভব ক্রিমিনাল। আমার গীতা পাঠ খুলেছিল, রামায়ণ হস্ত খুন হস্তে পাঠ করেছিল শহরের বাচ্চা। তোর পাপে তোদের পাপে তোর গীতা পাঠ করা, দুবাইয়ের রামায়ণ গীতা মন্দির করা পাপের জায়গা মেক্সিকোতে আমেরিকাতে ইস্কনের নামে খুনে ধনসম্পত্তি ধর্মস্থানকে গ্লানি, আসল হিন্দু বিষ্ণু ভক্তদের খুন করে বৈষ্ণবদের খুন করে তোদের বেটা তোমরা কি করছো তার রেকর্ড ভালো আছে। 8 জানুয়ারি ভারত মহাজাতিকে উত্থাপিত রাজা অবতার শ্রী রবীন্দ্রজি, শ্রী রবীন্দ্র, শ্রী গোবিন্দ, শ্রী অরবিন্দ তৃণকি ফল जो বক্তব্য তোমরা শুনতে পাওনি বা শুনোনি বা উদ্ধারকৃত হয়েছে তাদের সমষ্টির সে ভারত মুল্লুক 712612 থেকে ঘোষণা করা হলো। এমনকি SBI পাণ্ডুগ্রাম ইভিল তোমায় দুবাই যেতে হবে। হোম মিনিস্টার অমিত শাহ তোমাকে অর্ডার দিয়েছে, সিভি বানন্দন বোসও তোমাকে সেই উপদেশই দিয়েছে। ক্যালকাটা হাইকোর্টও তাই দিবে, কিন্তু তারা ভয়ে ক্রিমিনাল ইমেল রাখে না। ক্যালকাটা হাইকোর্ট এর ক্রিমিনালগুলো সেম ক্রিমিনাল মেক্সিকান গার্ল রিক্রুটেড ক্রিমিনাল ইভিল মানিস ইভিল all University Calcutta and Jadavpur majority are civil, majorities are evil. Thus you are or we are all in host crisis. Nobody is care taking census counting of living or surviving probabilities of any complaints, inconvenience, comfort, food of drink of waters, police, judicial, postal, everywhere is anarchism, boomerang. Then is the horror is becoming boomerang that will be ill-fed donors asking goodness, help, assistance that will come, death, summons, etc. এ বাড়া তোর প্রতিদিন এখানে কেন আছে উৎপাত করা? হ্যাঁ, তুই প্রতিদিন আমি তোকে থেকে 100 টাকা করে দেবো। হ্যাঁ শালা অল্লাউটো পাপ বাচ্চা তোমার ভিতরে ঢুকে কি করছে? অল্লাউটো পাপ বাচ্চা মার্ডারার গুলো, ইস্কনের সেই পাপগুলো মার্ডার বাচ্চাগুলো, মেক্সিকান গাল্পের কামারগুলো, ওই পাপ বাচ্চাগুলো তোর ভিতরে ঢুকে কি করছে? তুই মারা চুদ মারানি শালার মতো এখানে প্রতিদিন কি করতে আসছিস? এখানে আমার কাছে প্রতিদিন এখানে পয়সা পাই, আমি কি এখানে সিকিউরিটির মধ্যে আমি বড় ক্রাইসিস আছি। এখানে কালকে গোলাগুলি চলেছে। बंदूक राइफल, आकाश फायरिंग गन, मेरे को सतर्क किया है। दूसरा लोग यार बहुत इविल आ रहा है, इंडिकेशन ऑफ इविल टेररिस्ट कमिंग, सो देयर विल बी हूलिगन्स, gun play, so you remain close inside. So that I was that people say, I do not know, I will not get help of anyone at this stage. The people are fear, they will not disclose because they are underneath threat. So this is that SBI Pandugram. There was a 4-5 rounds very strong rifles firing, AK-47 like that. That is very dangerous for me and target me because these evils who are running these ISKCON songs at Jagannath Ghat by the evil manish, that has been taken very wrong. And we have taken this is very tyrannical villain and God denigration attempt by this of these evils arranged mela on that my sacred place of the evil Muslim murderer, evil criminals, 2024. The mela is going probably 5th or 6th January onward, and this is that evil intention will run out another 2-3 days or more. But this is called Hare Krishna, evil mouth, criminal murderer mouth. That same Gita you will say that the brigade or Ajodhya crime criminals who have with showing their prudence, evil money base, motivating Supreme Court how to dictate or request advice. Narendra Modi for temple of Hindus, he or Narendra Modi is not authority, not supposed on the within the limit restriction of this constitution, but they have gone taken and given me as a king to counter this as evil criminals. So they have parallelly want to as a evil incompetent jada jada dharmasya glanir bhavati kar hanikar asurakar, but claiming rajkar surakar. They does not know dark and night different, civil death or life different. This is enjoyment or sorrowness is different kind from us. What we feel sorrow, they feel delight. When we feel this is delight, they to cry. Seeing in happiness, harmony, in goodness, they to cry. Those evil attitudes. Khune gune, khun se gune, oh khune gune, dhar se gune, chore khune, oh khune gune. Hota ja, pagar kamar, oh criminal murderer. ओ मैक्सिकन गल्फ के नाम चेंज करना चाहता हो खुने तुम्हारी तुम भी तुम्हारी खुने मर्डर वर्ड को चेंज कर दो गीता रामायण चेंज कर देगा स्क्रिप्ट चेंज कर देगा लॉ चेंज कर देगा मैक्सिकन गल्फ के मारे लगो को चेंज कर देगा मार और लगो बढ़ा रहा है मेरा इन्फ्लुएंस इतना थ्रेटेन डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प तो कलन मार तुम जानते तक नहीं हो खुने मर्डरर लाइफ स्नेचर डेड मेकर किलर बॉडी नॉट परपेटर फ्रॉम मैक्सिकन डीप सी डेंस हाई डाइलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाटर ड्रिलिंग rotating whirling with machines, you are dissolving matter, then you pervading earth and body in a psychosomatic field, threader, silver cord, soul snatcher, Ram, Jivan, Ram he Jivan, soul say narcos, you are vitality snatcher, your khune, oh khune gune, नामानो मनी अल्लाह उठो कॉल विषधर हिंदू के बच्चा मुसलमान हिंदू के बच्चा मुसलमान हिंदू के बच्चा मुसलमान अविवाहित तो कुत्ते के बच्चा बाप का नाम गोत्र जन्महीन हिंदू स्वरर बच्चा गीता पठित करता है रामायण इस्कॉन की गाता है खुने इस्कॉन खुने हिंदू मुसलमान मर्डरर मुस्लिम मर्डरर हिंदू मुसलमान मर्डरर मुस्लिम क्रिमिनल ओशनोग्राफी वुडलैंड होली ओशनोग्राफी का इविल इन स्पेशियस एलिमेंट्स वुडलैंड होली ओशनोग्राफी इविल्स एंड पैडी के evil Noah captured, Noah snatched from USA, NASA snatched from USA. You are evil, and that evil governor, that Sandberg or Hotberg is that new president, evil one, Mexican girl in which fear earlier has, she has left. I do not know this, but evil Mexican girl president is the criminal. Is the charge, the Donald Trump, you are also criminal, Satan, liar, impostor, satire, anarchist, very criminal, bogot, stupid. Immediately make faith that peaceful arrangement as per my constitution, people's Publican and Republican truth speaker, all transparency, all communication within the government access. Total constitutions access, not autocracy, not villainism, not tyrannism, not telling lies, not suppression, not counseling containment, not set aside, not barring of civils from the judicial post or civil police army. You all Satan criminal in both Calcutta High Court. Yeah, the Gujarat High Court I have given notice through their Facebook, but Calcutta High Court you have not kept email. You all criminal, you must. Your responsibility door to door to verify constitutional commitment, actions, election is proper satisfied or it is misleading, chaos, confusion creating, hooligan, villainism, tyranny. You peoples are dictating, decision throwing, law judgment is illegal, criminal way. You all Calcutta High Court judicial system. You all will not be allowed anyone, all behave, because right and left two words, wisdom. So, right is speaking, is very superior your evil politics or government any kind, but this dictation is from Avatar. Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata और शिव जी के विरूपाक्ष रूप देख लेना, वे माता भारती के सरस्वती के बेहाला देखा के मुख फेस किसी भी इविल के भी कर दे, कोई इविल अपना को देवी पोर्ट्रेट करे, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन माँ महिषासुर मर्दिनी श्री जगन्नाथ श्री विष्णु असुर निधन किस तरह का असुर निधन करते हैं। और ये भय शंकर और राम जी, कुशान आश्रम राम जी वही राम है और कोई राम टेम्पल इनके ऊपर भारत में ग्लोरीफाइड पूजित नहीं होना है, बिकॉज दिस इज दैट मुनि ऋषि अनदर नाम द्वारा प्रतिष्ठित राम मंदिर और नारायण मंदिर, राम नारायण राम, भूषण नारायण कृष्ण सारे को भगवान बुद्ध as is avoid his worshipping due to that he is denied of the demon who should not care of God or other things. So you follow him, so others not supposed to worship Pujjanahe. For that reason, Pujjanahe is like what Brahmanism practice. Otherwise, people followers will follow him, but in locality, in that way, he's not acceptable to be worshipped because he is getting worshipped through Lord Ram and Krishna. He is indirectly established Lord Krishna and Ramji ke secretly their ministry and depriving from entering in the Brahmanism or Sura looks health. So they to remain, keep this in dark, that evil devils, demons should not ask or dare or to interest to exploit as blessing of the gods. When the people will ask God, they to bound as if to give those things what they have wanted. So Krishna and Narayan is like that. But people does not know what is good or what is bad for them. So this stupidity, I am Raja, I have declared Raja, Calcutta High Court. C.V. Anandan Bose, you are the Calcutta High Court के ऊपर है. Because all judgment, police activity, media, statistics, reporters, suppose you have not response, C.V. Anandan, Modi's criminal, Hindutva, you have not left governor houses. You are all living in the digital India. Is your digital system is on own independent, not dependent on others? Then you have, why you are not established for each and every unit? That constitution you have not proven real one, accepted one, because you are in fear. Because that way you have to give this all people's consent clearly, written as a gazetted form that each every has accepted. And how this premature death is occurring cases. So today I have to use another time loudspeaker because you made electricity cut. So that way I have to give some dictation, particularly Supreme Court, the local peoples, the video, these all evil criminals. This time of Pandugram SBI, Pandugram SBI, Pandugram SBI, you have got that critical notice on the behalf of the all rightist Indians, as they have requested me from American to serve a very video loudspeaker basis that you have reported our gun and your security is very rich, so you have that right to terrorize all those evils. So, as my people trapped at Mexican Gulf, that evil India force, that criminal asking Mexico Gulf renaming, so that my all records in Google Mexican Gulf should remain, because they too hinder me to quote Mexico, humanity annihilation, blue whale game, blue whale get suicide, then shark exact image, then your aeroplanes, hovercrafts, woodland holy oceanography, unholy institution, paddy profession, then counter groups of evil lefties, then palm island, snatchers, the technology, how that Mexican government, USA embassy, evil leftist capture since 1960s are in the USA to misuse those funds for the evils to harm USA original. Why we lost the British people for their own prudence to hate Indian Hinduism, Brahmanism, thinking their Islamic and Christianity are superior than Hinduism. So they to denigrate priest, Brahman, go, cow slaughter, Indian scripture, history, etc. Knowing all those things, deliberately they denied. They denied even concept of the Om God Trinity, even this Christ and Jasodananda, Judea, Jadunandan, etc. All Israel's concept is Indian. Israel and Ramallah is Indian concept, Ramjan is Indian concept, Ilahi or Kabar, Ilahi or Kabar, Ilahi or Kabar, Surjabar, Ilahi or Kabar, Surjabar, Irabar, Irabati Nadira, Ilamata, Unki Putra, Pururava, Ayu, Nahuj, Jajati, Ek, Hindi, Hinduan, इंदास रिवारान पुरु श्री पुरुराज की जो लिनीज है उसको मुसलमान लोग सफराज कहते हैं। तो उनका मक्का मेक्का उनका यहाँ पूर एक मेकापुर है, मुसलमान लोग उनको उनकापुर को मेकापुर कर दिया था। सुबीर चौक, रघुवीर चौक, तारागढ़, बालागढ़, मल्लगढ़, दक्षगढ़, कुशगढ़, लवगढ़, धर्मगढ़, सिराजगढ़, मदन जी, गोविंद मदन जी पट्टी है, सिराज पट्टी है, मनु राजेश्वर, राजराजेश्वर, पार्वती नाथ, गंगाधर, जलेश्वर, भुवनेश्वर, even मुक्तेश्वर, even that your मल्लेश्वर, माँ तारा की नाथ, तारकनाथ, गंगाधर, then जलेश्वर, शैलेश्वर, फिर कुश जी के नाथ सुसनेश्वर, काशीनाथ, कुशिश्वर, लवेश्वर, दैट शांतिनाथ, श्रीहर, हरादि, उमाशंकर, सारा वर्णित इस दिस स्थान, द कूर्म अवतार कूर्मगढ़, समुद्र मंथनगढ़, जगन्नाथगढ़, धर्मगढ़, शिवग्राम, माँ आदिना, माता सतीगढ़, कालीघाट, कालीगागढ़, बाल खिल्लागढ़ से ए राजादेश जो भारतवर्ष महाजाति के महा उत्थान मतलब दायित्व, पाप से विरोधी, अभिशाप से विरोधी, अन्याय कर्म से विरोधी, पाप पुण्य जन्म पुनर्जन्म, आत्मा मन इत्यादि परिचय आविष्कार, माइथोलॉजी ऑफ इंडियन mythology, Mexican Gulf through the German scientist was established it held nearer to Cuba, Cancun, Merida, that was gradually dragged to USA and some portion also dragged USA technology. So USA, UK now is Japanese technology, that rock killer system, woodland, holy oceanography being misused. So Donald Trump do not try to see that when you do, I give credit that this evil, leftist, USA, businessman, multinational, evil, unreliable, hunter of civil, religious, godly, Christ people, you should not defy, ignore, remain silent, my dictation, decision. You are evil, criminal, liars, you are no place, acceptance in government as rejected. I am on the behalf of God rejecting. You all taken praise Hindutva, and there is no scope. You all also ask vote for Hindutva, Hindu people's majority of USA, and some people are asking Indian on Asian count, and USA Indian majority count will be almost same. In that same way, UK will be Indian, UK Indian count will be same. So in that way, those are these NRI evils who are coming as these 7 million or more than that 10 million evil investors, some criminal, murderer, looter, thieves, dacoits, irreligious in the name of religious, irreligious, Satan, leftist, in too many facet, mouth, misleading, chaos, confusion. So this is the Raj Dharma Achar. All judicial system of DM or judges of the district level or subdivision level, Arambagh, Chochoda, Vishnupur, Bankura, Bardhaman, divisional, that is divisional, zonal, then Calcutta High Court, Gujarat High Court, all I have consulted to, then suddenly they cut off my electricity, that frequently, today also 10 to 20 times they cut my electricity. Yesterday there was more than 500 times cut of electricity. Donald Trump, when I am declaring this video today, 8th January, at the midday, time is nearer to 12:30 or 12:20 p.m. from India, pin code 712612. I have banned ISKCON. Your East Washington DC ISKCON should not chant any kind of Hare Krishna Gita. Nobody without not getting showing certificate, not accepting, feeling, learning, concern of humanity, annihilation, yada yada dharmasya glani bhavati bharat, or Modi, etc., as Indian evil constitution, Gandhi, not confess Hinduism, Ved, Gita, majesty, believable and compulsion, or old Trinity to be given mark, respected and worshipped and rewardable, and their teaching should be taken as a top critical truth-taking, life-leading is required for Arannok, Banavasi, Tagi, then those will be public, is a Tagi, Parate, Pragram, Uttija. So Pragram and public claiming and Pragvata, wise name, Parab, Sakte, Utsargo, Raksha Karna, कोई बात की बात नहीं, फालतू मेलोनी फेलोनी विल लायक की क्लेम नहीं होना है. ये भारत महत्व महाजाति ग्रेटनेस रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मतलब स्टैंडिंग फॉर अदर्स वीकर्स crippled Pongu attacked illegal way by the Satan criminals murderer. A Pune murderer bacha Mexican girl, witches, sons, daughters, evil businessman, crime doing prophet, Zionist, Momin, Musalman, Hindu Pune, तो मुसलमानत्व हिंदू पुणे मुसलमानत्व हिंदू घरे जन्मे बिना वेद पालित धर्म नियम धर्म एक्सेप्टेंस पद्धति विवाह जात बाच्चा ना जो जारज बाच्चा यू आर कमिंग रीडिंग गीता Mahabharata denigrating temple, gods, mondirs, gods, etc. Pilgrim, vandalized, destroying, uprooted and पाषाण देव वर्जित कर्म धर्म के ग्लानि बहुत सारे तुमने उत्पात कर्म अद्भुत कर्म क्रूर कर्म घोर अन्याय अति दंडनीय कर्म कामकाज में लिप्त है। तो ये प्रकृति भोग जो भी तुम्हारा एंजॉयमेंट तुम्हारा लाइफ गोल है, योर टॉर्चर टायरेनी विलिनिज्म शैतानिज्म बूमेरंग बिट्रेयल सडन अटैक एंड मेकिंग ड्रामा डूइंग फ्रेंडशिप देन belief killer, sudden attacking friendship, countrymen, Hindutva, etc. Just denying, defying, ignoring to attack real, honest, religious people. This is the strong for all. USA, UK, Canada, Mexico, Cuba, Australia, Latin and North America, Australia, or Middle East country where Hindus are entered and is snatched as the evil leftist Hindu घर के मुसलमान Hindu घर के मुसलमान Hindu घर के मुसलमान leftist खुने murderer they are annihilation to us genocide amorphous killer climate changers environment atmosphere changer sound avatar creator telecommunication satellite they can storm range of weapons, missiles and anything. They can suffocation, they can do barricade, impediment, wall invisible, walking, inability, arresting of walking, mind, flow, processing, body in our heart attack are all vital function, compromisers. They have compromised all need of or the frame committed in the government constitution Ambedkar, those are become fake, anti-boomerang is a false claim, false documents, false authenticity, false justice, false truth, that is no truth, no goodness, no nothing, no need from the real Indian. So it is very strong 8th January, Donald Trump, Modi, I think you should, and Amit Shah, etc., all BJP leaders, left India and said, see your sex center either Africa or in Middle East, that is desert where you can hide because you have done very, very big billions of billions killing, guilty offense, you have anarchy, you betrayed people, go to USA, Mexico, then I have to put Canada later on, but I put first UK. Then is Italy, then is Greece, then is Turkey. European Union immediately snapped the evil countries where the lefty Hindu, Harke, Musliman, Sudir Beta, Jaroj Bacha की majority of Syrians, not Persian, Lebanon, etc. Egypt, Sudan. However, all these Sudanese India gone to catastrophe creating plain Sudan. Dividing accepted catastrophe by the evil leftist Hindu. And catastrophe in Ukraine and Vietnam also happened, but they are gradually getting back those numbers. But Thailand, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh is compromised and Pakistan also. So in that way, Afghanistan also compromised by the left irreligious movement, bada sharia, by false religious, irreligious Satan, greedy criminal mullah, ये जो जेलनस्की और जायाफरी जो भी है, वे कुत्ते criminal. Bin Laden is not that way criminal, but all in your Panama, Costa Rica, Honduras, Belize, any Muslims or Bengali, Hindu, leftist, businessman, private, India for multi-nationality is totally. You have banned and going banned is no that, but you are defying Donald Trump. Donald Trump तुम्हें भी निपात जाओ कह रहेगा. Leftist तुम्हें कह रखा है. Leftist will that betray never will be your friend. If you are righty, then go. But his leftist, Satan, deceptive son of witches, where then I can help you. You murderer, criminal, betrayer, face rascal, you are antichrist, you are anti-God, you are highly punishable like Modi and other Indian politics, UK politics, etc., etc., Mexican country, all politician is evil, hunter, civil hunter, climate changer, undersea remainers, very, very strong message. Here my locality, video, SDO, DM, SDM, police officer, you are anything, you gone to your chief minister, Mamata Banerjee, उनके माउथ ऑफ वेजाइना में देखो, माउथ ऑफ वेजाइना में की, माउथ ऑफ वेजाइना में की, your Supreme Court or High Court judges, vagina mouth or anus or chest, head, kicking, but your respectable honored High Court kicking with my civil no leg. Chalo. I am ending this one as a भारत की सार्वभौमत्व की सप्त घटना तीर्थ राज धर्म ज्ञान विज्ञान आइन लॉ विधान भारत देव वेद गण की पुरानी संविधान श्रीहरि के देश में श्रीहरि संविधान राज आदेश उपदेश पालन नीति सत्य वचन सत्राशय no adultery, no pranatipat, no darshan, no pratarana, mithachar, cow, sambhakar, bali chhunna, matter chhunna, changing state, deceptive, telling liars, misleading, confusing, cheating or group, club, making illegal way or business doom or seeking within a country, pleading the democracy you are promoting as a kujan. You Pujan, Apajan, Durjan, you blame Mahajan. Mahajan never done just like royal. They have not done for themselves, but you have destroyed our earlier Raj Sampad. But we are not accept to any new claimant of Rajput that will be compromised and nobody is that pure form all evil deceptive claims not. The Rakhos, Gurki, Chutki, Mall, Thego, Rakhos Mall, if you try to claim in future project, all the Kamar Bacha, Kutte, Taki Bacha, Lundi, etc., highly punishable, highly variable. Any new Raj Guru ki claim, very critical will be if you have claimed Sadhu, Raja accept me in this India. You have to be very careful in this calling day. You are not helping in which fear. And you are allowing, misleading, claiming Sadhu Raja. You are hunting, murdering, killers, that life snatching, dead maker in various way, pathogens, nuclear, hovercraft, digital, AI system, psychosomatic, gravitational field, etc., monobox avatar sun, that mystic, Samudra Mantran, undersea, Mexico, Donald Trump, you're alone now, brain cell is highly targeted, blamed, removable, executable. Mexico, God, name, you should not dare. You blame China, your head tongue will be cut. What I have told, who are taking this guise of China, or USA, white or Indian, all cap, flag, sheep, country, nationality misuse, that I have to ensure you very careful about UN, evil, your New York or city, evil. I host complaints about the New York and the new World Trade Center or that World Trade Center who are captured by the new evil, leftist, Satan, greedy, criminal, Elon Musk association.